This next one's gonna be 70-year-old woman takes on the police. And I know we're 0 seconds in. I mean, what are old people doing? At 70 years old, that's the last time you're gonna wanna do it.
Separate cases of suspects fighting people, with emotions running high as police arrive on scene.
Help me! Help me!
What's up, man?
What's up, man? Help me!
What is he just casually standing there for? What are you doing, bud?
Help me! Help me!
She got a hand on her head. She won't let it go. She won't let her hair go.
Get off of her.
She went.
Let go.
Let go of me.
Let go.
Yeah, try to let go of me.
Let go. Stop.
I ain't doing
Stop.
She did.
She got her hand on her. She won't let her go.
Everyone confused.
I'm trying to defend myself.
She won't let her go.
I ain't trying to put my hands on
Stay
her.
right here.
I'm 70 years.
She way over
Hey.
here.
What the hell is going on right now?
Because I called for
Where do you live?
She live way over there.
Why are you on their property?
Who didn't win?
Hey,
Defend myself.
She dumped on me.
you're on their property.
This is my mom. I got the name of it. I got her. Because I called for that drug though.
Go.
Why would you do that? Why would you do that, Auntie?
She a lie.
Why would you do that?
happened?
Because I
Oh,
recorded.
enough. One at a time.
They come to
One, man, step over there for me.
Okay. She
Please.
dumped on me.
Okay.
That's a lie.
She
Here, ma'am, step up here with me.
Bunch of children.
Yeah, she did. Mad because I recorded her because she.
Ma'am, step back there and be quiet. I will come back and talk to you in just a second.
Did you see her come over here and jump on me?
Ma'am, step back over there. I will come to talk to you in just a second.
This that heifer did. She wanted it anyway.
One more time. All right, so
Come way over here. She was recording.
I come to get that
step back over there. You're going to jail.
For what? You put your hands on me. I defended myself. You jumped on me.
All right, I've had enough. Hey, ma'am, come here.
What, is she running away? What is going on here?
Then why was it over here
Oh, she get a piece of that boy cane.
on their property?
That's not their property.
Okay, is it yours?
No, I'm the head of it. Oh, they ain't make
Do you have the paperwork?
Yes, she did. She come over here and jumped on me. Yes, she did.
Where did it start?
I was taking pictures. She came up.
Where?
Oh, she was being whooped.
Oh, it started over there. I'm gonna do it.
Because when I pulled up, you were on their property and behind their house. Yeah.
Mm-mm. She came over here and jumped on me and scratched me up.
Oh,
Okay,
it's a
so
different lady.
when you go into their property and they jump
They
on
do
you,
not have no property.
okay, do they live there?
She been that way. I'm talking about right here.
You were up here when I pulled up into the yard.
Drag me up there.
Okay, no, you were walking by. You were walking by yourself.
I'm gonna call somebody else.
Go ahead.
Drag me back.
Hey, get back in your house. Go back on your property in your house. I'm going to take you for obstruction.
Now,
I don't care. I am trying to separate this
yeah,
and
I'm
quell
not going
this.
back over there.
Bro, the whole time, the other thing is not even getting solved. Like, she's taken away from the whole thing. Oh, there's not even anyone else here. This is the only friggin' dude that's here. He's wasting his time with her.
Okay, go back over here and quit obstructing.
All right, she jumped on me.
Taking a 70-something-year-old woman to fucking jail, but goddamn.
I can't believe Auntie did that for real. Like,
See, I saw y'all running back this way. Who owns this strip here?
my mama and then that's where we come put our hog feed at and stuff, our animals and
Yeah, that's
stuff.
kind of sick, though.
She come up here running up here with the camera,
That's a lot of
right?
weight.
Yeah, I seen her when I pulled up.
So I come up to record her, showing, because they said we have to have proof that she keep coming on my property. She like literally grabbed my hair and started fighting me. Like I had to defend myself. She wouldn't let my hair go, so I had no choice but to defend myself.
Yeah,
I got
no.
witnesses.
And all I see when I run up is you got a hold of her hair. You're a hell of a lot younger than she is, so that's why I pulled you off a little bit.
No, you missed it.
I know, that's what I'm saying. I came in on the end of it.
Yeah.
She cannot change up the story now. She was absolutely whooping on her.
I had to stop her. I can't let
No, I agree.
yell like that though. Like she came over here and like she came up. Auntie, why are you lying?
I know.
I know.
lying.
A microphone at her house. She talks.
Y'all,
You think I want to fight Auntie? I would never do that.
No.
I would never do that.
You were just doing it. You were just doing
Only thing I
that.
did was try to record her, record it over here on
well, I
the
was fixing
property.
to say, did anybody get it on video?
I don't know, hopefully.
I thought I did, but
I was telling them to record.
What
That's what I was
about-
telling them to record.
Who else was out here? Wasn't there one other?
Grandma, we was out here trying to stop. We was trying to get
Stop
off
her.
Yeah, I know.
I ain't have no choice. Auntie, she's crazy. She's crazy, bro. Like, why would I hit her?
I really don't want to try to take a 70-something-year-old woman to jail, but I'm fixing to. If
She keep doing that shit over and over.
She harasses all.
The police department, they say that they couldn't do nothing about it because she working for you guys.
Yeah.
I don't know about that. How did all of this start just now?
She was over here, right here, recording,
and I came with my phone to record her.
Yeah, I know. She was up here when I pulled up. I seen her when I pulled up.
So I recorded her.
and then
And she knocked my phone and grabbed me by my hair and started hitting me. Trying to throw me down on the ground.
So
Trying to fight.
all of
Oh,
y'all
maybe she wasn't even hitting her. She was just holding her.
saw her lay hands on her first.
Yeah, I swear to God.
Y'all willing to write statements?
yeah.
I swear to God.
Are you want to file charges?
Yes, she jumped on me first.
All right.
Defending myself. Like, for
Are
real.
these? What business is going on here?
Like, I didn't want to. Why would I want to? If I wanted to beat my auntie, I would have.
They got a lot of property. That's
Like, beat,
big.
why would I do that? I ain't even wanna
She
put my hands on her. Like,
Yeah.
I kept telling her, let me go. She wouldn't even let me go. Kept trying to fight me, so I had
Where
to defend
is
myself.
this?
So I
Where
really
we
don't take an
at?
old woman to jail, but it's fixing to happen today. I'll get y'all statement forms. Hey, brother, you didn't happen to record any of that, did you?
No.
Okay.
It's kind of got a southern accent.
I just saw her come over to their
It's always
property.
Midwest.
Right. Okay. All right. Y'all filled one of these out before?
No, but I will.
Okay. So the top's pretty self-explanatory. Just all your information. How old are you, man?
I'm 20.
20. Okay, cool. Just fill out that those top blocks with all your information, and then as much as you can remember about what happened in the incident, who hit who first, that kind of.
He hit me. Grabbed me by my head, threw me down.
Well,
Here,
write
you
it
can throw it
down.
on there so you can write it. Can y'all take them inside and write them? Y'all have pens? Okay, just bring them back out whenever you get done. I'm gonna go talk to her.
That girl especially all in my live.
Do me a favor. Let me see these. You can set them down on the hood.
Oh, this is powerful.
Yeah, that's her. That's the house phone.
Yeah.
This
What you want?
lady jumped on her and attacked her? She's
No,
70.
I'm just trying to get you to set them down.
Oh, both of them.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Do me a favor. Put your hands behind your
I
back.
can't go nowhere.
Put your hands behind your
Let me
back.
get somebody my
ma'am.
Mr. Retired.
Put your hands behind your back.
Oh, he gonna arrest me. Stop. He gonna arrest me.
You better not struggle
He call
with this.
911. That's gonna jump on me. He gonna arrest me going this year out. I don't think so. Help! I need help.
He's got it.
People done jumped on
He's got
me.
it.
Stop.
And he gonna do
No.
Stop. I am trying my best not to hurt you right now.
Okay, don't hurt me.
Stop resisting. Put your hands behind your back.
I always
Stop resisting.
I got to get somebody to kiss my daughter. Okay, press me up.
I'm going to put you on the ground if you don't stop.
You can go ahead. Hey!
Stop. I do not want to hurt you.
Oh, you hurt my arm.
Well, stop resisting.
Your arm's gonna break. I mean, you're messing with
Oh, God.
Put your hands behind your. Quit trying to fight me.
Oh, Jesus, please have mercy, Jesus.
fighting.
Oh, Father, have mercy. Have mercy, Jesus, have mercy. Lord, I didn't do nothing, Father, you know it.
You made us
All you
way
had to
harder
do
than
was
needed to be.
win.
No, I didn't, because you still arrested her over there for beating me up. He gonna come over here and arrest me. They know what I do.
Now,
The police know.
stand up.
I gotta go get
Stand
somebody.
up.
I gotta get somebody to see about my door.
Come on.
Stop
Let
your
me call
door. Why are you worried about your door right now?
my door. Just let me call my door.
Have a seat.
Yeah, take these out. Let me call my door.
Swing your feet in.
You can't take me away.
I'm not going to
now.
ask.
This is gonna be a problem.
Swing your feet in.
You cannot take me away until I go in there and tell somebody to come at my door.
Ma'am, put your feet in the car.
This is always a problem. He knows what she's doing.
Move your foot.
He knows what she's
You
doing.
abuse me.
Move your foot.
Abuse me.
You're going to get sprayed.
But
Okay.
for what? Hey, I'm doing it right.
There you go.
What the fuck?
Got him.
I got to get
Slap
somebody
him.
to come down here for me and fix my handicap door.
He's got her. She got him out of breath. That's crazy.
What you taking me back over here for?
Because I've got to finish
You know,
talking to
sit
them,
in the car, lady.
getting their statements.
Them people police already know I'm not here taking pictures. They already know that. They already know.
Yeah, but they don't know you're over here starting fights with them.
That's a lie.
Okay.
They jumped on me.
I love that. I love when they just leave him in the car. So good, just slamming that door.
I can't believe
she went to fight, and I was
Gonna act
screwing
like
around
that.
and trying not to hurt her.
Yeah, that's what I was trying. I was trying not to hurt.
It's hard to fight somebody trying not to hurt her.
Trying not to hurt her. So that's where we store our food for our animals. So she walked up here with the phone. I just went up to her to recorded her on our property. She slapped the phone out my hand, pulled my hair, threw me on the ground, trying to literally fight me. And I just can't believe that she's doing that.
Yeah, I fought with her a lot longer than
Why was that so hard to just get out in the beginning? I just wonder what's going on.
Me, that's what I said. I just can't believe she's really doing this. I can't believe
That was
she
such a
really tried to
clean
fight.
way to
Like,
put
I'm sorry,
that.
I'm just in shock. That's
No,
why
you're good.
Like, I can't believe it. I cannot believe it.
I can't believe she tried to freaking buck me.
That's crazy. Why is Auntie acting like this?
Has she been diagnosed with anything?
He said buck. He said buck. Okay, I know that.
I don't know, but it's sad.
Sounded
Like,
bad.
I don't even want my auntie to go to jail. Like, even though she's doing this stuff. Like,
Alrighty.
God.
Alright, y'all. Like I said, y'all have any issues, let us know.
I'm gonna take her away now.
Cause what that girl end up with destruction. Taking that picture by that trail. And then
Who's the second? Or what did she get charged with first? Oh, that's so good.
This suspect
Oh,
was charged with
Bombay.
domestic simple battery, simple assault, and resisting. She
What's
is innocent
simple
until
battery?
proven guilty in a court of law. Officers respond to a call about an aggressive fight.
Okay, I feel like that's a good amount of time. Or well, I didn't say any amount of time, but that's a good amount of charges. So that's not bad.
Until proven guilty in a court of law. Officers respond to
Oh,
a call
simple.
about an aggressive fight in a nearby home.
What? Here we go.
You want to watch the back door in case you run out? You did that last summer.
Hey, Mark, step outside.
Police department, come to the door.
Mark, step outside. Hey, the cops are here, buddy. Yeah. Yeah, they just attacked me. Yeah, they did.
All right.
He dragged me to the floor. He beat the fuck out of me. Okay. Hey, no, up. No. Hold on. Get in there. Let me get
I will. Hang on.
Don't make sure he don't hurt my dog. Make sure he doesn't hurt your dog. You're staying right here. All right?
Hell, bro.
He assaulted me. He come out with a stick. Okay. He
Talk
hit
to
me
them.
with it.
Take a breath.
Hey, talk to them, okay? I'm going to talk to them.
Yeah, that's
All
fine.
right, hang out with
Okay,
them.
I'll go.
Stay there.
Hey, take care of my dog. No, he's after us, I'm gonna call the cops. He said, go ahead. The motherfucker ran up on me, and I called the cops. After he attacked me, he didn't let me call you before he attacked me.
Okay, so what did you do to attack him?
He had a big old long stick, and so did his old lady. A big old twisty long, like, walking cane. Come swinging at me with it. I grabbed him up, put him in a chokehold, swung him on the ground. Then he got on top of me and started choking me out.
Were you inside the residence?
No, I was flying to the air. So yeah, that's what the happened.
Do you have any marks on you? Did he make contact with you with those sticks?
Hey, how about you motherfuckers? You base that off what your opinion is. Because I don't know
He's so
how
aggressive.
I'm just asking you if they made contact with you.
I answered you.
You
We
can't
weren't
trust
here,
his
so we're trying
word
to
now.
full story.
I just fucking told you.
You said you were flying through the air, man. So
No, I said,
Yeah,
oh,
yeah,
no,
yeah.
did I? I'm gonna start recording this now since you're just running your mouth. You know, I've got
bro.
female officers banned from my property before. Should I ban you from this property too? You should be professional when you come out. You have a job to do, serve and protect, not serve and talk shit.
This is not gonna help you, bro.
So you don't.
That's a fucking goddamn good job of you. Yeah.
So you don't know what the male's name is?
You know what?
Have
You
you
guys
ever
got a
seen him before?
detective to detect things. I've told you my story. I've told you my story. I've told her my story.
I actually missed this story. I just got here,
That's
man.
too bad. So I don't know what else you guys want. Are you asking me to lie to you?
No, I'm just asking.
Well,
for
I've
more
told you.
information.
Well, I've told you.
So you've never seen that guy before in your life?
I just told you.
You did
You
not.
guys have detectives, and you won't let me talk. You're arguing with me. You guys have detectives to detect it, right?
Oh,
Once you do
saying?
that, because you guys are just coming out here trying to argue, and I just got attacked. She's threatening to kill my dog. There's antifreeze all over my fucking porch. No.
Yeah, I know. I took that
No.
report for you. I'm
Yeah.
writing that report.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. I tell you what, all
We
that
got-
property right there is stolen. Yeah, let's go take a look at it. Come on. Because this motherfucker, he steals everything. He walks through people's
Man, what a
houses.
weird dude.
All of this is stolen.
This is gonna be
This
a
air
long
conditioner
call.
is stolen. That air conditioner is stolen. This wheelbarrow is stolen. He's got a chainsaw that's
Hey,
stolen. Here's the chainsaw
until we
that's
figure it out, let's
stolen.
get him out here.
That's his stolen chainsaw.
Hey, Mark, let's
Get
get out
him
here by
out
the
of
road
there.
until we get it figured out,
Well, I'm
man.
just showing you all the stolen property. The God.
Hey, we can make another report for that after.
Yeah.
Yeah, get out
He
of
needs to
there.
get the f out of here. He don't live here. This ain't his house. He needs to go.
You need to calm down, buddy.
Hey, Mark, stay out here with us, man, until we figure out what's going on.
Hey, Mark.
Yep.
That's fine. Have a seat.
It's not a hard thing to do. I know it's hard to hear, hard to accept, but it's not a hard thing to do. Yeah, there's his dad. Think he's gonna do some bad, big old bullshit. Your son needs to get the f out of here. You need to get your son the f out of here, you
Gosh,
bastard.
what do you even do with that? Like, you just let him do it?
Yeah, get your son the f out of here. Your son needs to go. Your son needs to get the f out of here and go back to your house with you, Daddy. Yeah, so all that stuff your son steals, you don't think that's a f***ing problem? How about he steals it at your f***ing house?
Bro, this guy seems like the problem.
I don't really give a f*** know what his name is. He's trash and so is his son. So what is there to
He's
talk
just
about? This is
rambling.
my
He's
house.
just rambling.
His son-
Oh, here we go, here we go.
There you go.
He said that two people, male and female, came in with twirly sticks and were threatening to hit him with it over the reporting it over the antifreeze on the front porch. And then he said he put one of them in like a chokehold.
He put one in there.
Either he put one or he was put in, but he told us once really quickly, and now he's refusing to say anything more.
Okay, so she has a little bit of marks on her elbow. It's maybe a domestic thing either way. She does have a mark on her arm. I'll get a second opinion on it, but
yeah.
So what, are you guys getting that motherfucker out the house or what?
Well, why would she's got to get arrested?
While the suspect, Mark,
He's
is
not
making
70.
it difficult to understand the full story, what officers are able to put together is that there was a physical commotion due to Mark's behavior and barely coherent story. Officers decide it's time to arrest him for the visible injuries on the female.
we'll take him on that.
Oh, he's gonna freak, dude.
Go ahead.
Don't stand up for me, Mark.
Yeah,
He's gonna
sure.
freak.
Can I hang up my phone?
We'll get it. Go ahead and stand up.
Can I ask what I'm getting arrested for?
Yep, I'll tell you in just a moment.
Yeah, I'd appreciate it.
Don't pull away.
Yeah, I knew it. Ain't no way he goes quiet.
It's my phone. It's my phone. It's my phone.
I've learned the crack. Good job.
That's my phone. Can I not have my phone?
No, not right now.
When you get off my foot, you're breaking my leg. I'm not forgetting.
Quit kicking.
I got a broken leg. Please stop. My leg.
Help! Help! My leg!
It's snapped. It's really snapped. Ow. Please get off of it. Please. Ow, my
Bro,
leg.
his reaction would have been insane if that's actually what happened. There's no way.
Please stop. Okay. Please get off my leg.
All right, I'm gonna roll you to the side. Roll with me.
Okay. Can I get my phone?
Get your feet under you. We're gonna stand
Put
up.
your legs, bro.
Okay.
Yeah.
Give me a second, please. I gotta stand up. I can't stand up like this.
All right, well, we're gonna help you. So,
Okay.
Oh, it's
Can
not
you please tell me
broken.
what I'm being arrested for?
Shocker.
And can you grab my phone?
I'll take him.
Yeah.
We're gonna go to this car right here, Mark.
Can I please get something to drink?
Nope.
What am I being arrested for?
It's gonna be
Why,
domestic
'cause he
battery.
he
what?
probably took something, so he wants to get rid of it.
Because that's what we got.
What did I do?
We're gonna walk around here, so you don't have to walk through the ditch.
You guys, I seriously need some water.
Okay.
Seriously, I'm not being mean.
Man,
Hey, he's gonna search. You got anything that's gonna focus stick him?
I just
the
really need
best,
some water,
dude.
you
This guy
guys.
needs help.
Please.
Don't turn towards
I
me.
really need some
look,
water.
Look forward and do that.
Okay. Would you guys please pour some
What is happening?
water back to my neck? Please. The heroin?
Yeah, there's on.
Oh my god. This is so stupid.
Hey, I take medicine too. Okay.
Is your medicine in the house?
Yes.
Okay. We'll go grab
That.
I'm about to puke.
Alright. Puke on yours. I'm off that. He's not 70.
Proven guilty in a court of law.
Oh, I guess it's 2 cases of suspects fighting people, so I misled myself. I thought we were seeing 2 7-year-olds scrapping. Whatever. Midwest safety is always a good one, so liking that. I didn't even realize we're not subbed to him, so gonna do that.